Innovative Base Technologies is proud to announce our game-changing base product for the equestrian and livestock industry. Manufactured in the USA from recyclable material and equipped with our latest patent-proven technology, the Flex Panel was designed with the equestrian and livestock market in mind. With its rough and tumble durability, easy-to-install usage, extensive fluid draining technology, anti-slip surface, and its easy-to-clean and maintain design. This complete flooring system can replace and refinish unusable harsh areas, or be used to build completely new floor foundations from scratch, providing a state-of-the-art floor for livestock to live on, play on, or be transported on. The installation process is easy. On hard surfaces such as concrete or asphalt, simply place the panels down one at a time and pull them together with our patented interlocking feature. On soft surfaces such as grass or soil, grade the area, compact it, add a geofabric, lay down your panels, and you're done. It's never been easier or safer to take care of your livestock than it is with UltraBase Floor.
Get good traction on it, good and comfortable to stand on, and easy workability.
This material is more sturdy than I had imagined it would be. It's very strong, but soft. So you want to be able to have durability, but without it being hard as concrete. So it's nice that it has a surface that is softer than concrete, but hard enough to hold up to a horse's hooves. Ever since we got the product, from the time that we were putting it down, I actually posted it on social media. It got a lot of attention and people are asking me about it, and I think it's a great product that anyone should try. They could put it in their entire barn, down the aisle, or just the wash rack like I did.
So whether you're looking for stall solutions, wash areas, trailer flooring, flooring for medical facilities, temporary stalls, or to cover your entire barn with, UltraBase Floor Flex has you covered.